Hello. In this video, I'm going to replace this old can light with a flat LED recessed light. I've got a box of 12 LED lights from Amazon. This one offers 5 colors, which you can change anytime you want. In my previous video, the light I installed used a light switch to change its color. I will show you how to change color on this light in a bit. This is a paper template, which is the size of the hole you need to make for the light. This is the junction box. You can see a switch here, and this is what you use to change color. When you open the lid, you're going to see these 3 connectors. They are push-in connectors for hot wire, neutral wire, and ground wire. This is pretty easy to use. Just push in the wire to the hole you see here. The junction box has 3 holes to feed wires in. And this cable is going to be connected to the light. And this is the light. Let's take a look. There is a spring on each end, and this is how the light is going to hold on to the ceiling. And as you can see, it's pretty thin, so you can install this light where there isn't really much space. And you connect this cable to the junction box cable. This one has arrows indicating the correct way to connect. And this is can light. It is pretty big, so it needs a lot more space compared to the new LED light I just showed you. They're always nailed into the ceiling joist like this, so you need to remove the nails first. Let me show you how to disassemble it now. Remove the light bulb first, and then pull this casing out. It's going to get stuck because of this hook that you can see here. All you need to do is squeeze this handle and then pull it out. I already cut the wires for this light. This is the junction box here. You push this handle and the lid will pop up open. The tools I'm going to use today is wire stripper, wire snipper, a big one, and power drill, and a hole saw. Same size as the paper template that came with the light. This is just a regular construction plywood. I cut a hole using the hole saw. And I need this because I'm making a hole that is already there, bigger. If I were to make a hole on a new surface, the hole saw will do its thing, so I wouldn't really need this. Unless you don't mind spending a lot of time cleaning up the drywall dust, this dust bowl is really important. You install it like this. This is quite flexible, so when you push in and drill the hole, all the dust from ceiling will end up in this bowl. Today I'm going to remove these 3 can lights. I'll go to the main breaker and turn off the power first, before doing anything. I'll just show you how to disassemble just one light. Remove the light bulb, pull the housing down, squeeze the handle, and then take it out. I'll cut the wires because I know I'm not going to use this can light anymore. And this is all I'm going to do here. I usually need to disassemble this more, but for this job, I'm on top floor. So I'll go to the attic and do the rest of work there. When working in the attic, it's a good idea to wear proper protection. Cover suit, mask, gloves. I really need to be careful. I don't want to step on anything other than ceiling joists or something that I know for sure is sturdy and safe. A lot of dust. That's why I wear a mask. Let's go find the can light. It's kinda tricky to find the first one, but once you do, you can guesstimate where the next light is going to be. Still looking for it. There you go. I found my wire and here is the light. Let me move the insulation aside so I can get to the light. And as you can see, like I mentioned before, 4 nails nailed into the ceiling joists. So I'll first remove these. I tried using hammer for this, but I found using wire snipper is a lot easier. Let's work on the wirings. They're all crammed in there, so I need to first untangle them and then disconnect them from the connector. When disconnecting wires from the push-in connectors, all you have to do is grab the connector and twist a few times, then the wires will come loose. To put wires in the push-in connectors, I need to strip the cover a little. So I'm using this wire stripper. 14 works for these wires. If you are not sure, you can use ground wire to figure out. You just push in the wires matching the color. Black to black, white to white. The bare copper goes to green. I'm done with the one wire, and I'll just get to the second one. There you go. Close the lid. Let's see what's under the floor. Yeah, I don't want to fall down there. I make sure I pick up everything before I go to the next light. I wouldn't really want to lose anything here. Let's see. There you go. I found the second light, and I'll do the same thing. Oh, I see a disconnected vent. I'll have to fix that too. I'll get to it later. Remove nails. Work on the wiring. Let's go find the last light. There you go. I'll do the same thing again. It's all done. Before I go down, I'm going to remove all the lights that I disconnected. Put the new junction boxes down so I can find them easier. This kind of work may not be easy, but it's still fun. Especially when you are working in the attic, I think. Alright. Almost there. Look at all these dangling junction boxes, like apples on an apple tree. Pretty exciting. This hole from my old can light is smaller than the required size, and this is when I'm going to use this template. I use clamps to secure this on the ceiling, but if you don't have any clamps, you can use screws as well. Just cover the screw holes with the drywall mud when the job is done. As you can see, there is a lot of dust falling from the ceiling. And this is why dust bowl is really good to have. Let's install the LED light. Push the spring up and put it on the ceiling first, and then slide the other spring to the ceiling and just let it go. And it's going to snap into place. One is done, 2 more to go. Clamp the template. Make the hole bigger. Install the light. Just 1 more to go. Done. Awesome. Let's turn the power back on. There you go. This is so much better than my old can lights. I really like it. Let me show you the different colors. I just shot it with my raw cell phone app, so the colors may not be accurate, but this should give you some ideas. This is it for this video. If you like this video, please hit the subscribe button and give it a thumbs up and leave a comment. It will for sure help grow this channel. Thank you so much, and I'll see you next time. Bye.